recursion in a simple way might look like this. If I had a function called countdown, okay, that was recursive, it would be a function that takes an integer as a starting place. So let's say I give it 10. Integer is 10. I print it, that argument, 10. If that is greater than 0, then I'm calling that function inside itself with whatever this is minus 1. So then it calls itself using the number 9, prints itself, still checks, and so on. So in code, this is a really quick one. Okay, so we're printing it, and we're saying if int count is greater than 0, then we're going to count down with int count minus 1. Okay, and then if I run that, oh, I have to call the function the first time to get it started, of course. Countdown, I can count down from 99 if I want to. I can count down from literally any number that I want to. And it will work. Okay, and that's a very, very simple recursive function. Now, do we need a recursive function to count down? No, there are about 3 other ways to do this that are much, much simpler than this. But it's a good demonstration of how recursion can be used to do something.